Looking to transform your balcony into a fragrant paradise? Imagine stepping out onto your balcony, a cup of tea in hand, and being greeted by the intoxicating scents of your very own fragrant garden. We'll explore 10 easy-to-grow fragrant flowers that will transform your balcony into a sensory delight. From the sweet allure of jasmine to the calming aroma of lavender, we'll cover it all, sharing tips to ensure your fragrant garden thrives. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. First up, we have jasmine, a classic favorite known for its sweet and intoxicating scent. For balconies, I recommend the Jasminum officinale, also known as the common jasmine. It's a vigorous climber that can easily be trained to grow up a trellis or railing, maximizing your vertical space. Jasmine prefers a sunny spot on your balcony, but will tolerate some shade. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged, and fertilize regularly during the growing season. And a little secret, the flowers are also edible and can be used to make a fragrant jasmine tea. Next we have lavender, a beloved herb with its signature calming and soothing aroma. For your balcony garden, I recommend the English lavender or Lavandula angustifolia. This variety is known for its compact size, making it perfect for containers. Lavender thrives in full sun, so ensure your balcony receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Allow the soil to dry out slightly between watering, and for a continuous supply of those fragrant blooms, deadhead spent flowers regularly. Gardenia, with its creamy white petals and rich, intoxicating fragrance, is a must-have for any fragrant balcony garden. They prefer a slightly acidic soil, so using a potting mix specifically for acid-loving plants is recommended. Place your gardenia in a spot that receives morning sun and afternoon shade, as harsh afternoon sun can scorch the delicate leaves. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy, and avoid letting the soil dry out completely. Honeysuckle, with its sweet nectar and intoxicating fragrance, not only smells amazing but also attracts hummingbirds and bees to your balcony. For balconies, I recommend the Hall's prolific honeysuckle. It's a vigorous climber that will quickly cover a trellis or railing, creating a fragrant screen for your balcony. Honeysuckle prefers full sun to partial shade and thrives in well-drained soil. Be sure to water regularly, especially during hot, dry periods. And remember, those fragrant flowers are edible and can be used to make a delicious honeysuckle tea or syrup. Sweet alyssum is a charming little flower that's incredibly easy to grow, even for beginner gardeners, and offers a delightful honey-like scent. Sweet alyssum is a cool season bloomer, thriving in the cooler temperatures of spring and fall. Plant your sweet alyssum in full sun to partial shade and water regularly, keeping the soil evenly moist. Deadhead spent blooms regularly to encourage continuous flowering throughout the season. And for an extra burst of color and fragrance, try planting different varieties of sweet alyssum together. Hyacinth blooms in spring, filling the air with a powerful sweet fragrance. Available in vibrant pinks, purples, blues and whites, they add color to your garden. Plant bulbs in a 6-inch pot with drainage holes. Place in a sunny spot and water regularly. Allow foliage to die back naturally. Lift, clean and store bulbs in a cool, dry place. Roses, the quintessential symbol of love and beauty, have been cherished for centuries for their elegance and captivating fragrance. While roses might seem like a challenge for balcony gardens, fear not. There are many compact rose varieties, perfect for container gardening. For your fragrant balcony oasis, I recommend David Austin roses. Plant your rose in a large pot at least 18 inches in diameter with good drainage. Choose a sunny spot on your balcony that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. And remember, regular pruning will help keep your rose healthy, encourage bushier growth, and promote more blooms. Tuberose, with its intensely fragrant creamy white flowers, is not for the faint of heart. This bloom thrives in warm climates and releases a strong exotic scent that's unforgettable. In cooler climates, grow tuberose in a pot to move indoors during colder months. Plant bulbs in well-draining soil, 2 inches deep and 6 inches apart. Choose a sunny location with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Water regularly, keeping the soil evenly moist, but avoid overwatering. Freesia, with its vibrant colors and fresh fruity fragrance, adds cheerfulness to any balcony garden. These flowers come in a rainbow of colors, creating a vibrant tapestry on your balcony. Plant freesia corms in the fall for a spectacular spring display. Place the pot in a sunny location and water regularly. Finally, we have lilac, a beloved shrub known for its intoxicating, long-lasting fragrance that perfumes the air with the scent of spring. While lilacs are traditionally thought of as garden shrubs, several dwarf varieties are well-suited for container gardening, making them perfect for balconies. When choosing a lilac for your balcony, select a dwarf variety like Bloomerang Purple or Tinkerbell. Lilacs prefer full sun to partial shade and thrive in well-drained, slightly alkaline soil. Water regularly, especially during dry periods, and fertilize in early spring with a balanced fertilizer. Well, there you have it, 10 fragrant flowers to transform your balcony into a sensory delight. Remember, even a small space can become a fragrant haven with a little planning and care. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more gardening tips. We'll be sharing more ideas and inspiration to help you create a beautiful and bountiful garden, no matter where you live. Comment below with your favorite fragrant flower and happy gardening.